Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how to create a poll on Telegram. So, it's pretty simple. So, first, go to your group in which you want to create a post. So, I'm going to my group called YOLO, and after going to a group, you can click on this tree line which is right over here, and click on this tree line, and click on Create Poll right over here. And over here, you can enter your question. Let me enter a question, food, and then the poll has the option. So, the first option is going to be, the second option is going to be, a third option as well. But I just want to add these two options. You can add up to 10 options over here. I've already added 2, so 8 is left over here. So, after adding your option, you can click on Create over here to create a poll, and as you guys can see, a poll has been created over here telling fair food. So, I can click on chicken as you guys can see. This is how you create a poll on Telegram. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.